We are learning about shapes and forms today. You can use an ebony pencil or a regular graphite pencil. To do shapes, shapes are flat and two-dimensional, meaning they only have height and width. Shapes like square, circle, and triangle. Forms are three-dimensional, meaning they have depth, looking like they go back in space. To draw a sphere, which is like a circle but three-dimensional, we just draw the circle. We pretend the sun is up here about 10 o'clock. So the shadows will come around the sphere, and that's what makes it look rounder or more three-dimensional. And then the highlight will be closest to the sun, where it will be white. The darkest part will be away from the sun, and then the same shape, or that circle, is repeated and then shaded in, giving it a shadow. To make a cube, which is a square in 3D, we draw a square. We draw another square up and behind it a little bit, and then we connect the points. This point to this point, this point to this point, this one to this one, this one to this one. We shade in the top, and we'll shade a little darker on the side. I always shade in the same direction. I wouldn't start going this way. I would continue going up and down. And then I have to add a shadow, which will be like the same shape, just a little ways away from it. To draw a pyramid, we start with kind of like a diamond. We draw a straight line through those top 2 points, and then we connect the edges to the top. This is called a pyramid. It's like a three-dimensional triangle. We shade in the side. Shading makes it look three-dimensional. And then we need to add a shadow. To make a cone, we draw an oval, and we connect those lines up from the sides to a point. We color in a kind of a circular motion to make it look rounded. And we add a cast shadow. That's the same shape. To make a cylinder, we do 2 ovals, one on top of each other, and then connect the lines down. Here I didn't make it quite big enough, so I'm just going to go back and enlarge it a little bit. Shading in the top, shading the side kind of in that circular motion. And adding a cast shadow. On the back side, you can use blocks to create a sculpture. Create something you like, and then you have to draw it in 3 dimensions. So here's a cylinder. Here's a cube. And then it's sitting on top of a rectangle, and then I have to draw the back edge too. And I'll need to shade the picture I made of my sculpture that I did in 3 dimensions. I notice it's darker on this side, away from the light. And my cast shadow is going out this way, away from me.